Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Wynne Jean. If you're new here and if you're returning, then hey girl, how you doing? Today is giving very much trying something new, okay? SHEIN sent me this wig. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little skeptical, but we're gonna get into it. This is her right out of the box. She's pre-cut, pre-plucked, knots are bleached, and I really love the adjustable bands with the like silicone grip on them. So far, so good. But the jury is still out, okay? We're gonna go ahead and pop her on and see what she's giving. This hair is from Unice via SHEIN, so if you wanna find her, definitely go ahead and check SHEIN out. Search in Unice and you'll find a lot of the wigs that they have there. This is their 7x5 Bye Bye Knots Wig in 24 inches. I believe it's 150 density, but I'll put all the details down below if you guys wanna go ahead and check her out and just get into it a little bit. See what she's giving. But so far so good. I'm gonna pop on a little bit of my bronzer right along the lace just to kind of blend it with my complexion a little bit better. I believe this is transparent lace, but I could be wrong. Either way, baby, it was not my color, so I went ahead and adjusted that just a little bit, nothing too crazy, and then I'm going in with my hot comb and pressing the edges going straight back. I love big fluffy curls with a little bit of volume in the front. Like, that has my name all over it, if I'm being honest. So I'm using my hot comb to kind of create that look today and give the roots a little lift in the front. Before we get into actually melting this wig onto our head, I am not doing a ball cap method today. I wanted this to be really quick and easy, kind of installing it right out of the box, really seeing what she's giving. I'm not giving her no help, okay? So there's that. I went in with my Sticky Little Secret melting spray right on top of my like wig cap, and then I placed the hair right on top of that, and that's like our first layer to kind of hold her on. And then I'm gonna spray a little bit more of that melting spray onto like a piece of paper or directly onto your brush, whatever you gotta do. But I like to take a flat synthetic brush and kind of press that product on top of the lace to kind of give it a little extra help melting. And then I'm just gonna pop on my little elastic band and we're gonna see what she gives, okay? I'm not gonna lie, I was a little nervous. Listen, I love me a SHEIN order, okay? I loves me a little SHEIN. I haven't ordered from them in quite some time, but it was a point in time where I was knocking on their door weekly. So even though the jury was still out, I'm not gonna lie, I was really open to this SHEIN wig situation because I've been wearing weaves and extensions since I was maybe 15, 16. I've been doing hair professionally since I was 16. And I get it to want to turn a look, to want some bundles, to want to look your best and not have the most money. So I'm never gonna be a creator who only works with super expensive brands. If that's what you want, that's not me. I'm always gonna be here for the girls who wanna save some coins, for the girls who are on a budget. There's nothing wrong with that. And so far, look at the material. She kinda is giving. I like the curls on the hair. But before I can tell y'all if I like her, I had to get into these baby hairs. Like, that's where we get the real tea. That's where we find out, you know, that's what things make or break. I don't know. So I'm sectioning out a little bit of that baby hair, pressing it towards the front, pressing the rest of the hair going towards the back, and then I'm gonna go in with my scissors and give her a cute little trim. After I get everything trimmed up, I'm going in with my really, really tiny travel flat iron, and I'm just giving the baby hairs a little bit of bump so that we can do the like soft baby hair look with a little bit of the Sebastian Shaper Plus hairspray. I have been thoroughly enjoying this hairspray. It's kind of replaced my Got To Be, and I wasn't expecting that because the Got To Be has so much hold, but I've realized that I might not have needed all of that in hindsight, but we're here now, okay? And I am now very much into the Sebastian Shaper Plus, okay? Do I still have my Got To Be locked, loaded, and ready to go? Absolutely, okay? Absolutely. I can only be so healthy. Like, work with me. But I do like this spray as a nice, less intense option.
Woke up done, can you carry me? When I'm losing my mind, can you hold me? If I'm hazy, boo, can you help me?
Can you help me?
Feeling down, can you feel me? When I'm running low, can you charge me?
When I'm running low.
I went ahead and kind of finger combed the curls out, and so far I am in love. I love a big fluffy curl, and I also love a big fluffy wavy water wave moment. I wanted to add some braids or locks to this so bad, but I chose not to so I can kind of see what the quality of the hair was giving. And so far the curls were pretty, but in order to see if this is good quality hair, I went in with a little bit of heat, because that's what's gonna really tell on you. Okay, if this was synthetic, this was synthesia, okay, we're gonna find out together. But she curled up like a dream. I wasn't really in love with the shape of that first curl, so I went ahead and switched out the head on my wand for a smaller one. I wanted a very juicy, very big, very like brave but brown look. Are y'all following me? Are we here? So I ended up going in with my smaller wand, and I'm taking some pretty big sections and I'm curling them from about the middle of the hair going down to the ends. I wasn't too focused on making the curls perfect. If anything, I was going for more of a natural curly look. So I'm switching directions, taking pretty big sections. And once I got towards the top, I started the curls a lot higher up just to make it look like the whole thing was curled, but I definitely cheated in the back. So do with that what you will. And right now she's giving Shirley Temple, so we gotta give her a little finger comb. I like big hair, baby. It's nothing I was about to do with those little Shirley Temples, honey. That's just not for me. But this right here, this has my name all over it. The curls are gorgeous and they stayed. Okay, spoiler alert, the curls did last. And this is the finished look. I gotta be honest and say I am pleasantly surprised. She has the same good quality as Unice, great prices, and now you can order her and some clothes. I'm not mad at it. I have to say I'm not mad at it. Get into the lace. Look at how full the wig is from the back, from the side, from the front. When they say it's pre-plucked, it's pre-plucked. It was pre-cut. The knots are actually pre-bleached. It's not those like super dark knots. So yeah, I have nothing else to say. They left no crumbs. I went ahead and clipped up the little middle section just to kind of see what it gave, half up, half down. This is a pretty large closure, so you do have lots of options. So if you want this little half up, half down look, the half up, half down was definitely cute. All the details about this hair will be down below in the description bar if you guys want to go ahead and check her out, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, babes.